Welcome to this complete Edinburgh, Scotland guide. Nestled in the heart of Scotland, Edinburgh stands tall as a city brimming with rich history and vibrant cultural heritage. From the whispers of ancient tales echoing from its stone streets, to the allure of its iconic landmarks, this capital city is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Every corner turned unfolds a new chapter of its story. Ready to explore? Let's dive into the first of our 12 must-visit sites. First up, the breathtaking Edinburgh Castle. Perched high on an ancient volcanic rock, this formidable fortress has been the epicenter of countless historical events. For centuries, it has stood as a symbol of power, resilience, and Scottish pride. It's not just a castle, it's a timeline that narrates the story of Scotland. Imagine walking through the same gatehouse where kings and queens once tread. Picture yourself strolling through the Great Hall, its hammerbeam roof and grandeur echoing tales of royal banquets. And who could forget the Stone of Destiny, a symbol of Scottish monarchy resting within the castle walls. From its highest points, Edinburgh Castle offers commanding views of the city. The spires, the rooftops, the winding cobbled streets, all laid out below like a moving tapestry of city life. And when the 1 o'clock gun fires, feel the echoes of history resound around you. A true symbol of Scotland, Edinburgh Castle is a must-see. Next, we explore the famous Royal Mile. This historic heartbeat of Edinburgh is more than just a road. It's a treasure trove of charming shops, each one more intriguing than the last. The Royal Mile is also home to a collection of historic buildings that bear witness to the city's rich past. The lively atmosphere, with street performers and bustling cafes, truly brings this place to life. A walk down the Royal Mile is like stepping back in time. Now we turn our attention to the Holyrood Palace. As the Queen's official residence in Scotland, the palace is steeped in royal history and is a testament to stunning architectural prowess. Imagine the myriad of stately affairs that have taken place within these regal walls where opulence and grandeur are the norm rather than the exception. From the magnificent state apartments to the historic abbey, every corner of this palace exudes a sense of majesty. For a royal experience, Holyrood Palace is not to be missed. Ready for a hike? Arthur's Seat awaits. Nestled in the heart of Scotland's captivating capital, this ancient volcano and hill fort stand as silent witnesses to Edinburgh's vibrant past. Imagine, if you will, a time when molten lava flowed where now we tread. But don't worry, these days Arthur's Seat is far from fiery. Instead, it offers a tranquil retreat from the city's hustle and bustle, a place where history and nature intertwine. As you ascend its winding paths, you're following in the footsteps of countless others who've sought the sanctuary of this natural fortress over the centuries. Reaching the top, you're rewarded with panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. Edinburgh's iconic skyline unfolds before you, castles, cathedrals, and cobblestone streets nestled amidst rolling hills and the shimmering sea. Arthur's Seat, a true natural wonder right in the city. For the history buffs, the National Museum of Scotland is up next. This treasure trove is brimming with intriguing exhibits that span natural history, world cultures, and Scottish history. Imagine stepping into a world where dinosaur fossils coexist with ancient Egyptian artifacts. Marvel at the intricacies of Scottish design, from elaborate Celtic brooches to cutting-edge fashion. Uncover the stories that shaped Scotland from its geological birth to the present day. A visit to the National Museum of Scotland is a journey through time. Time for a breath of fresh air at the Princes Street Gardens. This verdant retreat nestled in the heart of Edinburgh offers a tranquil respite from the city's bustle. Its beautifully manicured landscape invites leisurely strolls, picnics, and even impromptu birdwatching sessions. And let's not forget the commanding views of the stoic Edinburgh Castle, a sight that never fails to leave visitors spellbound. So whether you're seeking solace or a picturesque backdrop for your travel memories, you'll find it here. Princes Street Gardens, the perfect urban oasis. Art lovers, the Scottish National Gallery is our next stop. This treasure trove in the heart of Edinburgh boasts a collection that spans across centuries, featuring European paintings and sculptures. From the masterpieces of the Renaissance to the vivid strokes of Impressionism, every room is a journey through time. Marvel at works by renowned artists such as Botticelli, Rembrandt, and Turner, to name a few. This gallery truly embodies the spirit of European artistry at its finest. The Scottish National Gallery, a feast for the eyes. Let's take a stroll through the charming Edinburgh Old Town. This enchanting part of the city is a maze of cobbled streets, narrow alleyways and hidden courtyards, all steeped in the city's rich history. Each turn presents a new discovery, from centuries-old architecture to charming little boutiques. A major highlight is the Royal Mile, a historic street that stretches from the iconic Edinburgh Castle down to the grand Holyrood Palace. Walking down this medieval street feels like stepping back in time, with its fascinating mix of historic sites such as St Giles Cathedral and lively pubs and eateries that serve up a taste of Scotland's vibrant culture. As day turns to night, the old town doesn't wind down, it winds up. The nightlife here is as vibrant as the city's history is deep. From traditional Celtic dances to modern clubs, there's a night scene for everyone. Edinburgh Old Town, where history and modern life intertwine. Dare to enter the Edinburgh Dungeon? Brace yourself for a thrilling and interactive journey into Scotland's murky past. The dungeon weaves together history and horror in an unforgettable experience. Here you'll encounter notorious figures from Scotland's past, each with their own chilling tale to tell. With professional actors and special effects, the dungeon brings the darker side of Scottish history to life in a way that's as educational as it is spine-tingling. The Edinburgh Dungeon, where history comes to life, and it's a little scary. Ready for some fun? Let's check out the Camera Obscura and World of Illusions. This attraction is a mind-bending world where nothing is as it seems. Here you'll find a labyrinth of illusions that challenge your senses and perception. Prepare to be amazed by the bewildering optical illusions and the stunning rooftop views of the city. You'll leave with a newfound appreciation for the power of perception, the Camera Obscura, where fun and learning go hand in hand. Next, we're off to the iconic Calton Hill. This remarkable spot offers a panoramic view of Edinburgh that's sure to steal your breath away. Calton Hill is known for its fascinating landmarks, including the National Monument and the Nelson Monument. The hill's landscape itself is an artwork ornamented with ancient Greek architecture. It's not just the views that are stunning, but also the history that's engraved on every stone. After a day of exploration, there's nothing quite like watching the sun set over the city from Calton Hill, a perfect spot to watch the sunset. Finally, we visit the tranquil Royal Botanic Garden, Edinburgh. A serene oasis in the heart of the bustling city, this expansive garden is home to an impressive array of diverse plant species from all corners of the world. As we wander through the winding pathways, we discover an enchanting world of flora, from towering trees to delicate flowers, each meticulously cared for and beautifully displayed. The landscapes here are nothing short of extraordinary, with each turn presenting a new breathtaking vista. The harmony between the meticulously designed flowerbeds, water features and art installations creates a symphony of colors, scents and sounds that is truly mesmerizing. But it's not just the visual beauty that makes this place special. The peaceful atmosphere envelops you, allowing you to escape from the hustle and bustle and connect with nature. Whether you're a botany enthusiast or simply seeking tranquility, this garden offers a unique experience. The Royal Botanic Garden, Edinburgh, a perfect end to our Edinburgh journey. And that concludes our tour of Edinburgh, Scotland, a city that's a treasure trove of history, culture and natural beauty. We've journeyed through the time-honoured Edinburgh Castle, strolled along the vibrant Royal Mile and marvelled at the grandeur of Holyrood Palace. We've gasped at the breathtaking views from Arthur's Seat and enriched our minds at the National Museum of Scotland. We've found tranquility in the heart of the city at Princes Street Gardens, admired the artistic masterpieces at the Scottish National Gallery, and delved into the rich history of the Edinburgh Old Town. We've experienced thrills at the Edinburgh Dungeon and marvelled at the illusions in Camera Obscura. We've enjoyed serene walks on Calton Hill and immersed ourselves in the lush beauty of the Royal Botanic Garden. Each of these stops has its own unique charm that contributes to the unforgettable tapestry of experiences that is Edinburgh. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you soon in Edinburgh.